just arrived in Tokyo. So, from here, hanapin naman yung exit, then we'll go to our accommodation. See you later, Kadokis! Gutom ako, Kadokis. Bibili muna ako ng pagkain dito sa Tokyo Banana Tree. Hello, Kadokis! Dito na kami sa aming accommodation here in Tokyo. And in 30 minutes, we're gonna meet sa lobby. Then, shopping. Ang ginawa namin dito sa accommodation namin, Kadokis, hindi kami nag-book with breakfast. So, ang ginawa namin, we just book the room. Tapos ang plan, bibili na lang mga food sa 7-Eleven na pwedeng i-microwave. Kasi meron naman ditong microwave, may hugasan, ganyan. At least makatipid pa kayo. Ayan. Tip ko sa inyo yan kung magta-travel kayo sa Japan. We're on our way sa shopping district, Kadokis. This is my favorite part of the trip. Shopping. Kung may pang-shopping.
Just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign. We should do tonight again, even in
We're in Shinjuku, Kadokis, and my sister is so happy. Yeah, we just left the Louis Vuitton store, and she was able to find her dream bag, favorite bag. Happy na siya. Mas happy siya kaysa sa nasa Osaka kami. Tsaka nasa Kyoto, mas happy siya din.
Tokyo. Tokyo, you're the best.
Dinner time, my favorite part of the day. We're in a restaurant, the name we do not know. Pero order na lang kami ng sobrang dami. And we are back at the Hotel Kadokis. Sobrang sarap ng dinner namin. Kaya eto, naglakad lang kami pa uwi. Then, after which, pahinga na, take a shower, tutulog. Tomorrow will be a very cool day lang. Kasi magsi-city tour kami. Kaya, ngayon lang, Kadokis, mag-good night na ako. Tomorrow again. Okay, see you! Good morning, Kadokis. Eto, nagpe-prepare na kami for our city tour. Time check, magte 10:30 na. Ang call time namin is 10 o'clock. It's gonna be a little late kasi upon checking yung weather, medyo mahangin siya, so we expect a little bit chilly. We're expecting a chilly day today. Kaya mga damit namin medyo makakapal. Tapos I brought my jacket. Just in case na lumamig pa later, may may pambalot sa katawan. Okay, Kadokis, as usual, I'm gonna update you along the way to where we're going. And that's it. Let's start the day. We're waiting for our train going to Namsa? Asakusa. Asakusa? Takusa. We're now in Asakusa, Japan, Tokyo. Daming tao, guys. daming tao. Yeah. But this is the fun part.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I'm not the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign we should do tonight.
Got it. Sabi nila, bawal kumain dito because this is holy place. So, ang request nila, we will eat it outside daw.
Even in another lifetime, baby.
Parang espasol na may peanut polvoron. Masarap siya.
Those wicked problems are evaporating. Baby, I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do tonight again.
This is our favorite here in Asakusa. Good. Dito kasi bawal kumain kung saan-saan. This is a sacred temple. Kaya dapat na dito may mga designated lugar na pwedeng kumain. Oh my God, it's so good. Namiss ko to. Grabe. So good. Ang sarap.
Even in another lifetime, baby. And let's do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then. And let's do tonight.
Tempura for lunch, Kadoki. We waited this for years. We wanted to try this before, pero there was no chance. Kaya ngayon. Finally, we're on our way to Ganda. Saya niyo. Nice one. are in Gandam City. Finally, nagkita na kami ni Gandam. After how many years? The first time na nagpunta kami dito, we weren't able to visit the place. The second time around na nag-Japan kami, we were not able to see kasi mga kasama namin mga dentists. So, young at heart, like me, I don't think they were able to appreciate if we will include this in our itinerary. So ngayon, this is the third time we're here in Japan. Finally, natupad na rin yung pangarap kong ma-meet si Gandam. We are on our way to the 7th floor kasi nandun yung souvenir shop ng Gundam. It's called Gundam Base. Sana may mabili, sana may mura kasi as we all know, Gundam coins are really, really pricey. Sana lang, sana lang. I think this is the best time of your life. How was it? Good?
Bumalik sa pagkabata.
Happy na siya sa Japan.
We're now at the Gundam base. This is where you find all the toys of Gundam, all their models. It's on display. You can buy them, you can review them. But I think the best idea would be buy them. Saya ng experience, no? Grabe, buta pa yung shish ko nakapag-shopping tsaka yung brother-in-law. Now we're going to Shibuya, guys. We're now at Tokyo Tower. One of the most iconic towers here in Japan. Grabe to, if you search Instagram, tourists, locals, nakipicture dito. I don't know. Sana yung tower din ng Globe PLDT tsaka Smart, sana photogenic din. Para maging pakinabangan naman for tourists. Travel tip mga kadokis, if you want a good spot for your photographs in any tourist spots that you want to go, search the Instagram. They will guide you where's the best spot to take your pictures. Travel tip guide. We are now in Shibuya. Behind me is the famous Shibuya crossing. Daming tao, grabe. But this is fun. It's part of it. The famous Shibuya crossing. Must visit here in Japan. Tokyo. Cross na kami. Ay, di pa pala. In a while.
I must just fall in love. I'm not the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa.
Hi Kadokis, dito na kami sa Don Quixote. Mega shopping ang mga kasama ko. It's a very famous shopping store in Japan. Because sobrang mura. Yun nga lang, mapapamura ka rin minsan sa sobrang haba ng line sa fashion. But it's worth the experience, Kadokis. And I recommend it. Kasi ang dami products dito, from food to soap. Basta, napaka maraming choices. And in different floors, different na binibenta. Chocolates, sa second floor usually, mga cosmetics. Basta, it's worth the experience. on our way to the Hotel Kadokis, pero maghahanap muna kami ng makakainan for dinner. This is just a few blocks away from Shibuya Crossing. Pero ang dami-daming restaurant, mga authentic Japanese food. Dito na kami Kadokis. Every time nakakain kami, you have to like remove your shoes. Sorry. Fresh. Hello Kadokis! As you can see, nandito na ako sa hotel. Kami sa hotel. I'm now in my pajamas. I just got out from the shower because tomorrow we have an early call time. It will be around 7 o'clock in the morning because maglalakad kami from here, maybe around few minutes to our pickup point because tomorrow is Mount Fuji Day. It's Japan's version of our own very majestic Mount Mayon. Kaya we're gonna sleep early. Kaya good night na Kadokis. Good morning Kadokis! Nandito na kami ngayon sa meeting place namin with our guide going to Mount Fuji. Just to inform you, we booked our Mount Fuji tour through Klook. So, hinihintay namin yung guide namin. Pag-duration ng flag. Ito kasi ang daming mga tao, but they have different tour guides or agencies na pinagkuhanan ng tour guide going to Mount Fuji. And we're just waiting for our guide. Sila Justine, Trisha, and Allen went to McDonald's to fetch us from some breakfast along the way. Kasi medyo malayo-layo yung travel namin going to Mount Fuji. And this is my second time going to Mount Fuji, but still there's this feeling of excitement kasi yun nga, parang when going to Japan, parang Mount Fuji is part of the itinerary as always. Okay Kadokis, laters! Good morning! While waiting for our Klook service, breakfast muna tayo.
Japan also started to work like cash. All the
It's 400 steps going to the pagoda. Now, on the 80th step, nandito yung mga toilets and mga snacks for to rest. So, that means 320 steps more to go. Grabe, hindi lang flat, paakyat talaga siya Kadokis. Grabe. Yan, sa tuktok na kami ng bundok. Kapagod. From these 80 steps, makikita na natin yung Mount Fuji. There she is. Ayan. Pero sabi nila, mas maganda pa daw yung sa taas. So 320 steps more to go, Kadokis. Oh my God. Sana kayanin natin. Grapes from this place, Kadoki, it's freshly picked. Sabi nila, iba yung lasa daw ng grapes dito kasi iba yung weather. Yan. That concludes the Mount Fuji tour. Medyo tone down lang tayo kasi dito ang mga boses modulated lang. Ito yung pwede mag-ingay. Second stop pala Kadokis is our lunch. So ngayon, bababa na kami ng bus. Binoboil na namin yung food namin. And after that, there's a squash there. I-crush yan para maghalo doon sa soup. Ang food namin is the noodles, so we ordered 2 extra beef para matikman namin. There's the beef. Yummy! We're on our way to the lake. May 1 hour pa kami to take pictures. And it's called the Kawagochi Lake. Mount Fuji, as they say, is a very shy mountain. Minsan, yan, nagtatago na naman siya. Kaya swertehan pag makikita niyo siya in full view. So kanina we're so lucky. Ngayon natatakpan na naman siya ng cloud, nagtatago na naman siya, kaya shy na naman siya. Pero mamaya sabi nga ng tour guide, every minute nag-change ang itsura ni Mount Fuji. But be patient lang, Kadokis. Don't get disappointed pag hindi nakita. Kasi eventually, magpapakita rin siya. Our next stop is in Uishi Park.
We leave here about 30 to 40 minutes. And the bus will park here, and we will meet the bus. 2:10, please contact the bus.
We are now here in Uishi Park, Kadokis. It's just like few minutes away from the place where we had our lunch. Pero sikat to kasi iba naman ang perspective na makikita nyo si Mount Fuji. I'm gonna give you the video later. Hi Kadokis, this is my sister, the Miss Vendo Machine. Yeah, please follow her on YouTube. Her name is Trisha Eats the World. Maganda rin yung mga videos nito. There are many places or countries she went na hindi ko pa napupunta. Please follow her. Trisha Eats the World. How does it taste?
Peach drink.
Yeah.
So let's taste.
So, ano na ngayon? Trisha drinks the world. Hindi niya Trisha eats the world. How was it?
It's not too sweet.
It's so sweet. That's what I like in the drinks in Japan. It's refreshing. And they're not too much into sugar, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't like sugar.
I'm gonna get
so
one
this is
later.
good.
This is a different perspective, guys, of the Mount Fuji. It's so beautiful. 3 years back, I have a photograph there on that bench. Yeah, look. Nice, no? Wow. Look at that view, Kadokis. Where are you? That's it. Yeah, that's it. Full. Hindi siya shy. Nagpapakita talaga siya pag nandito kami. Ayan, hindi siya shy ngayon. And look at the flowers. Look at the flowers there. Ayan, ganda-ganda.
I
This is
will
our
take you
last
to the
stop,
entrance of the
Kadokis,
town.
Nemba.
Give you a ticket and it's a free time.
There's sake and the queen bee inside. Hi Kadokis, Japan won't be or will be incomplete experience without eating here in Ichiran. Look at the line here. You have to be patient waiting. Gutom na ako, hindi na ako makapag-isip ng words. So, it's our last night here in Tokyo. Dinner namin, Ichiran Ramen. And I'll take a video when you get inside, guys. Okay, Kadokis. We're inside. Order muna kami. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, thank you so much. Hindi kasya ng baba. Cook. Kadokis, pag nandito kayo sa Japan, it's a must try ang mag-Ichiran. So good. Kung kayong aalis ng Japan na hindi nag-Ichiran. Sarap diba? As I've said previously, I am very particular with my egg pag kumain ako ng ramen. And let's check if it's perfectly cooked according to my standard. Perfect. Now, time for dessert. Matcha, what's the flavor? Matcha pudding. Arigato. Wishy. We just had our dinner, Kadoki sa Ichiran. Now we're on our way. Lalakad lang kami. Going to our hotel. Time to pack. It's our last night here in Tokyo. Nakakamiss lang. Well, there's always a reason to come back here. Ayan. And I hope you enjoyed my videos. Tomorrow morning is our flight. That's around 8:30 in the morning. Our service will pick us up at the hotel, then drop us sa Tokyo Airport. Ayun, nakalungkot lang kasi back to reality. Magtatrabaho na ulit. Tapos na ang relaxation days. Thank you for watching mga kadokis. This is your Lakwacherong Dentista reporting from Japan. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Join me in my next adventure of food, travel, and lifestyle. Bye!